Brian Carper here with the tip of the week. Today we're going to be talking about knots. I'm going to show you how to tie the parlomar knot. Probably one of the most used on the bass circuit in the United States. It's one definitely I use the most in my boat. What you want to do is take your lure and your line, and you want to go through the hole, pull out about a foot, and then you're going to take the end and go back through the hole, pull it out a little bit, and then you're going to have your lure in the middle. At that point you want to tie a knot with each end. Just like that. So now I've got a knot around my lure. You're going to take this loop in my left hand and we're going to put the whole lure through it. Okay. And then you're going to lick it, apply a little bit of moisture. You're going to take your tag line and the line to your rod and just pull down slowly and cinch it. Just like that. And you give it a real good pull. Then you take your tag line and you want to clip that off about as far down as you can go so it doesn't affect your lure. And then you're ready to go. That's the parlomar knot, one of the strongest out there. You'll get more fish in the boat with it. Another popular knot that most fishermen use, including myself, it's really easy, it's a really strong knot, is called a rapala knot. That's what I've always called it. I was taught, I've heard many different types of names. Nevertheless, it's simple. I'm going to show you how to do it. You want to take your line and your lure, and you're going to go straight through your line. You're going to pull it out about 8 inches, and then you're going to take your lure and just twist it 6 times, 8 times. Between 6 and 8 is what's recommended. I usually do 6, that's plenty there. And then you're going to take your tag line and you're going to go back through the initial hole that was made from your line when you twisted it the first time. You see that you're going to go right through the first hole. And then you grab your tag line there, and you have your other line here, you moisten it, and then you just tighten the two together. You grab your lure and pull down so it cinches. And then once again, you always want to pinch off your tag line close to the knot after it's cinched down real good so it doesn't slip out. And that's a second knot, probably the second behind the parlomar knot I use the most in my boat.